Alright guys, excited? Hep hep! Sobrang saya!
Ganda ng sky, grabe.
Ayan na, naka-Disney ears na siya.
One more time, hep hep!
Guys, I'm traveling again to Hong Kong with Alec. And guess who's traveling with us? Traveling with family.
Let's go!
Hope Conquer! Conquer! Let's go!
Made it in life!
Hindi na naman tayo sa Hong Kong. Kasi nahagard yung armes ko dun. Always, always check your gate first before eating, before everything else that you're gonna do. Bay, kamusta jogging natin?
Buti na lang, we've trained for 6 months just to chase the
gate. Last travel of the year was in Hong Kong. Last travel of the year, or di pa natin sure, baka mag-Singapore pa kami, is in... Let's go! Let's go!
Tumalap ako.
We're finally here!
We're back! Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. Andito na naman kami sa Hong Kong.
Yeah!
And this time with my family. Yan, next one naman yung pamilya ko. Eh, kasama rin si Gold, saka si Melo.
Planning kami dito for Co-Create 2025.
Yeah, and we're gonna be staying here for 5 days. So medyo mahaba-haba. Maraming experience. So, yeah, super excited to try. Let's go! Samahan nyo kami mag-Hong Kong Disneyland ulit. I-rate namin kung gaano kasaya yung mga rides. Let's go!
So yung last vlog namin, nag-airport express kami. But now, we found a better way to go. Hindi na masyado lilipat-lipat. Mas malapit sa hotel namin, which is the bus. So, we're riding Tsim Sha Tsui kami. So, A21 bus. A21 bus is 34 Hong Kong dollars. Yan ang Hong. So we got the meal for 4 people. Nag-add lang kami ng rice and drinks and then additional na goose. Total is 620 Hong Kong dollars.
Gumalaw, magbabayad.
Unang sumubo, magbabayad.
Okay.
Okay, bayad. Sure.
Masarap siya.
We're here at Star 15. First time namin itatry, obviously. Katabi lang muna ng hotel namin. Chinese dessert shop. Gusto ko lang makatry tayo ng ganito, yung mga ganito. May siomai yung dessert. Bakit ganito yung dessert shop nila? May siomai, may lumpia, may hakaw, may soup. Baka hindi ito dessert. Wow! Kakulay ng damit mo, Enzo. Wow! Guys, gusto nyo ba mag-workout?
Yes.
Ikaw, Gold, gusto mo mag-workout? Gold. Ikaw, Melo, mag-workout ka? Sige, ito yung workout to. Tingnan natin, sino talaga nag-gym. Ay, madali lang kay Melo. Ay, go. Ano ka ngayon? Ano ka ngayon? Kapag-workout na ba lahat? Nakapag-workout na ba? Nakakain na po ba? Nakakain na po ba maka-cellphone natin?
Oh, the little said, little one prepared, beauty and the beast.
Wow, pang princess yung CR!
Where did the time go? How do we move so far away? Holding on, how much can we both take when love isn't let go? I can't hear
Kinakain ko si Mickey Mouse at saka si Winnie the Pooh. Sorry, kids.
Sarap dito. Everything's delicious. Sabi niyo.
Sarap.
Tikman mo. Ikaw pag pinapatikim mo ko, tikman mo.
Ang hirap nag-aaway mo kasama.
Yun na.
Love you. Love you. Take out kayo ng mga tinapay. Tingnan natin yung kinakain ng bata. May sprinkles. May chocolate. May Mickey Mouse. Muntik mawalan ng jowa si Alec for the second time around in Hong Kong. Mawawala niya ang Osmo. Nung first punta namin, nawala niya yung magnet, nawala niya yung lens.
Ito lang yan, guys. I don't lose anything. Everything that is for me will come back to me. Kahit nasaan ka man.
Guys, excited?
Yeah!
Alright guys, excited? Hep hep! Hooray! Hep hep! Hooray! Let's go to Disneyland, everybody. Yes! Let's all be happy. This is our happy day. One more time. Hep hep! Hooray!
Yeah! Ayan na, naka-Disney ears na siya. Yan yun sa movie.
Ay, kapatid ka.
Let's go, then let's go. Pila na. We're at Frozen Ever After. Eh, alam nyo ba yung vlog namin ni Alec na hindi namin afford to? Look! Go!
Thank you. Wow! Lagot ka!
Oh my God! Yep. Perfecto, perfecto, perfecto. Grizzly Gotch, let's go. Magigising tayo dito, di ba? Nantok tayo.
Okay. Bayan.
Nantok!
Sobrang saya.
Swerte namin because today is December 4 and wala masyadong tao. Like, lahat ng pila is maximum 30 minutes. Some only 20, 10 minutes. Although kumuha kami ng Premier Pass. Pakita mo yung Premier Pass natin. So, we got this via Klook. Use my code, Yanimoya Klook, to get 5% off when you book. Ito, meron kaming fast pass for 8 rides. And then we have pre-booked our meals. Tsaka yung ticket mismo, mas mura. So, actually, ngayon lang kami pumila dito sa Soldier kasi hindi siya kasali. Greatest tip that I can give you is to pre-book your activities. Kasi pag may itinerary ka, less yung gastos kasi alam mo kung saan ka pupunta. Less din yung mga additional expenses, additional costs. Mababudget mo ng tama yung trip mo. Nababudget nga ba natin ang tama, Gold?
Budget na budget, 17,000 isang gabi lang.
Dinner lang yun.
Dinner lang.
Yun na nga. Kasi nga wala kami itinerary. Kaya talagang papagastos kami ng ganun. Pero yun. Melo, anong masasabi mo sa mga kababayan natin na iwan sa Pilipinas? Ay, parang excited siya mag-ride.
Excited.
Nararamdaman ko yung...
Excited siya. Sobra oh.
Nabobor na ako kanina pa.
Talaga?
Tingin, tas ito pa yung sasakyan natin ngayon. Parang,
Talaga?
wala na ba itong titri? Yan lang yung rule ko eh. Okay ako sa mga roller coaster, pero yung akyat baba, saksakin nyo na lang ako. Ganun din
Parang
naman.
inaantok naman sila, be.
Hindi eh.
Kasi pag mga cool kid eh. Boring naman itong ride na to.
Ano?
Kaya pag cool kid, hi, boring ride. No reaction.
Kamusta ang Disneyland so far?
Masaya po siya.
Ay, pakita mo naman sa mukha mo.
Nakaka-enjoy.
Naiiyak siya sa saya.
Ito din, ang saya. Tingnan mo.
Thank you po, Ate Yani,
Hindi ako
Kuya
si
Alec, and others
Alec lang lahat nagbayad
for guiding and...
Ano sabi sa immigration? Ano sabi sa immigration?
Tinanong lang po, what is your name? Enzo. Okay, go.
Disneyland experience, it feels like home. Since
Feels like ano?
home. Kasi princess talaga ako eh. Parang long lost home ko siya.
How's Disneyland so far?
Yung rides, yung grizzly bear ba yun?
Oh.
Grabe. Sakyan nyo.
You know what? Enchanted Kingdom is a very, very good place. I'm very happy to be here in Star City. I also saw kanina, earlier, yung bahay ni Emilio Aguinaldo.
Perfection. Para kasing lahat dito perfect. Parang as if kakabukas lang niya. As if hindi siya open.
Bukas lang talaga nito kahapon.
Talaga? Kasi yung mga pintura, parang bagong-bago, malinis, even CR. CR pa lang, sulit na yung binayad mo. Sobrang ganda.
Okay, bakit ka masaya?
Kasi favorite ako anak ni Lord. Everything that I want, I will get. No matter what.
Disneyland is always a happy place to go. Laging good memories lang. Wala pa akong bad memories na nagtupak ako sa Disneyland. Kasi hindi man ako bata punta.
Pero, ano masasabi mo? Na-conquer mo na yung fear of heights?
Tandaan mo, fear none.
What do you mean fear? I don't know what...
Sobrang saya nun.
Ay, ayoko yan. Pas ako dyan. Pas. Ayoko yan. Vikings.
Nakakasuka yan.
Masakay ka?
Oo, pero nakakasuka yan.
Ayoko. Nagtatago ko kay Alec kasi pinipilit niya ako sumama.
Tara na, let's go!
Yan mismo yung ayoko, babe.
Ngayon lang mangyari.
Babe, ayoko talaga. Oh, by the way, for pricing context, this is the cost. One churro is 50 Hong Kong dollars, sundae is 45 Hong Kong dollars, and fruit salad cup is 50 Hong Kong dollars. So, kita nyo, sobrang expensive. If you're coming to Disneyland, make sure that you're prepared because everything's overpriced. Pwede kayo magbaon ng snacks, even food. Kanina may nakita ko mga naka-Burger King eh. So, I think pwede. Like Burger King na burger. Pwede. Water. May water refilling station din. Or you can like what we did, pinrebook na namin yung mga food sa Klook. So, mas mura siya kasi naka-package. And then, medyo planned na yung meals namin because naka-package
Give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. Know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like the time was right now. Show me what it's about.
Green burger. The fruit is good.
It's back. Is it connected? Muntik ko na mawala yung mic. Guys, nawala ko to. Sa dami ng rides dito, we don't know kung saan namin nawala, diba? Pero si Alec, he was so certain na sa Iron Man. Pero hindi na ako nagpanic, hindi na ako nalungkot. Sabi lang, hanapin natin kasi nandyan lang yan. Manifestation technique na tinuro sa amin. Celebrate. Thank you. So kahit hindi ko pa hawak yung mic kanina, sabi ako nang sabi, yes, I found it! I found it! I found it! Nagulat na lang ako. Nahanap na namin. I mean, namin tinanungan kung nahanap nila yung pink mic. Bumalik pa kami sa Ant-Man, yung naalala ko pa kung ano yung upuan namin, ganun. Pero sabi ni Alec, nasa Iron Man, check namin. Kasi doon yung last video ko na may nakaklip. Tapos may dalawang babae lang na kami nakasalubong. Sabi namin, did you see the pink mic? Yes! Alam nila. So, naalala na nila.
Very good.
Bakit nung ako pinagalitan mo ako? Siya, very good.
Very good ka. Swerte ko talaga.
Swerte talaga nila.
Tapos mamaya may check pa doon. Swerte ka talaga.
Manifestation technique mo yun.
Diba? Sabi ko, sobrang lakas mag-manifest. Ganito lang sabi ko, kahit sinong kakausapin ko, una kong kakausapin, nasa kanya. Una kong pagtatanungan. Oo, tapos si Yanix, niya pa magtanong-tanong. Sure ako pag ako nagtanong, makakuha ko agad yan. Sabi ko kasi, check natin sa Iron Man. Nandun yun sa Iron Man. Sabi hindi, check natin sa Ant-Man. Pumasok pa siya sa Ant-Man. Nung wala doon, sabi ko, wala talaga dito. Nasa Iron Man.
Napanood ko to sa mga Inasal tsaka food court.
Okay. Ay, tap mo yung time. Yung timer.
Up.
Up. 20 seconds. At the end of day 2, Disneyland Day.
Yay! Happiest day ever!